Making money trading stocks requires knowledge, strategy, and discipline. To start, it's essential to understand the market and develop a strategy that aligns with your financial goals and risk tolerance. Stock trading involves buying shares at a low price and selling them at a higher price, capitalizing on price fluctuations to generate profit. Day trading and swing trading are popular approaches among active traders. Day trading involves buying and selling within the same day, focusing on short-term gains, while swing trading involves holding stocks for a few days or weeks to capture upward or downward trends. Both methods require close attention to market movements, technical analysis, and an understanding of trading patterns. Research and analysis are key elements for successful trading. Studying a company's fundamentals, such as earnings and growth potential, and using technical analysis tools can help you make informed decisions about when to enter or exit a trade. Risk management is also crucial. Setting stop-loss orders to minimize potential losses and only investing money you can afford to lose are effective ways to manage risk. Consistent practice, patience, and a willingness to learn from each trade can help improve your skills and profitability over time.